For the green big ideas we're working on today, we're working on 5.6 and we're working on percent of the number. We have a little formula that we kind of use when we're dealing with percent of the number, and it goes like this. Is over of is proportionate to percent over 100. So if you know the percent, we always write the percent over 100. Then we are trying to find out the is or the of. Now, this is also sometimes called the part number, and this of is called the whole number. So we've got is over of or part over whole is proportionate to percent over 100. Let's take a look at number one on your record and practice journal. Here's how we'd want to set it up. 30% over 100 is proportionate to blank of 50. Now that key word right there, of, means the 50 is going to go on the bottom. And then what you would do is you do that nice little thing we have talked about for chapter 5 for a while now. We're going to call it our cross multiply and divide. And if you cross multiply and divide, you're going to take 30 times 50. 30 times 50 is 1,500. And you're going to take 1,500 and you're going to divide that by 100. You're simply going to drop your zeros and your answer is 15. So 30% of 100 would be the same as 15 out of 50. If you want to know if you're correct or not, you can take 15 and divide it by 50, and you're going to get 0.3, which is the same as 30%. Number two, 12% of 85. Again, 12 is going to be written over 100, is proportionate to blank over 85. You're going to do 12 times 85. 12 times 85 is 1,020. 1,020 divided by 100 is 10.2. So don't forget, this is kind of our process here. We're doing 12 times 85, and we're dividing that by 100, and we got 10.2. The last one here, we have 2% of 96. Same thing, I'm going to go back to blue. 2 over 100 is proportionate to blank over 96. 2 times 96 is 192. And we're going to take 192 and divide it by 100. And we're going to get 1.92. And that is the same as 2%. So once again, cross multiply, divide by the one that's left, cross multiply, and divide by the one that's left. If you're given 3 out of the 4, cross multiply, divide works a lot. And again, what we're dealing with is we're dealing with the part over the whole, which is referred to as the is over the of, and that is proportionate to the percent over 100.